Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in a simple and effortless way. Just listen carefully and watch this video several times. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important moments in modern U.S. history. Why did the United States fight in World War I? When the war started in 1914, the United States remained neutral. President Woodrow Wilson believed that staying out of the war was the best way to protect American interests. But that changed in 1917. One major reason was Germany's policy of unrestricted submarine warfare. German submarines, or U-boats, were attacking any ship they believed was helping the Allies, even if it had American passengers. The most famous example was the sinking of the RMS Lusitania in 1915, where 128 Americans died. Another key factor was the Zimmermann telegram. In 1917, British intelligence intercepted a secret message from Germany to Mexico. The message promised that if Mexico joined the war against the U.S., Germany would help it get back Texas, Arizona, and New Mexico. This shocked Americans and helped turn public opinion in favor of joining the war. Also, the U.S. had strong economic ties to the Allied powers, especially Britain and France. American banks had loaned billions of dollars to them. If the Allies lost the war, those loans might never be repaid. So, on April 6, 1917, the United States officially declared war on Germany. The slogan at the time was, "Making the world safe for democracy." Over 2 million American soldiers were sent to Europe, and their arrival helped shift the balance of power. The war ended in 1918, and the U.S. came out stronger than ever, even though it did not join the League of Nations afterward. Its role in World War I showed that America was now a global power. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's super important for mastering English and understanding American history and culture. Like, share, and help us grow so we can keep making better videos for you. See you in the next adventure.